Hello class 7. Today we start with the new chapter, chapter number 12, simple linear equations. So, what is equation or linear equation? We'll try to understand it. Let's say there's an expression, an algebraic expression, and there's another algebraic expression which is equal to the given expression. Then we say that this expression, if it is equal to another expression, then we say this condition as equation. For example, if 3x minus 5 is an expression and if it is equal to another expression 2x plus 7, then we say that this given condition is an equation. So we can say that if there is only one variable and its power is 1, then the equation is said to be a linear equation. For example, if the equation is as such that the variable has the power 1, over here only x is there, that means its power is 1, and over here also it is 2x, that means x has only the power 1. So in this kind of equation where the variable has the power 1, then the equation will be called as a linear equation. Now let's learn few methods to solve the equation. Solve means to find the value of the variable in the given equation. So over here x plus 5 is equal to 7 is an equation where x is the variable. So when we say solve the given equation, that means we have to find the value of this variable. So x is the required variable for which we need to find its value. So in order to find the value, x plus 5 equals 7. Here plus 5 is attached with this expression x plus 5. So we will remove that plus 5 from this expression in the left hand side. So in order to remove this plus 5, we will simply write x plus 5 and minus 5. So when you do plus 5 and minus 5, this plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled and you will get only x. And when you do so in the left hand side, you need to do exactly the same thing with the right hand side. That means you subtracted minus 5, you subtracted 5 from left hand side, you need to do exactly the same with the right hand side. So minus 5 and minus 5. Or the value will be equal to x equals 2. So 5 and 5 cancels. Over here 7 minus 5 is 2. So the value of x is equal to 2. Similarly, if we have x minus 9 equals 4, so here minus 9 is attached with the left hand side expression. So in order to remove this minus 9, we will add 9 over here so that we get x minus 9 plus 9, and similarly we do exactly the same thing with the right hand side. So it becomes 4 plus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 cancels and 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9 gives us x equals to 13, which is the required answer. Similarly, if 4 and x are multiplied, over here we got x is added with a value. Again a variable is getting subtracted over here. Over here the two variable and a number is getting multiplied. So 4 into x equals 20. So in such case we will write 4x divided by 4, because 4, in order to remove this 4 we will divide it by 4, and we divide by 4 the right hand side as well. So 20 also gets divided by 4. So 4 cancels, we'll get x. Then 4 and 20 can be cancelled by 5. So here x will be equal to 5, which is the required answer. And similarly, if x by 5 is equal to 6, then here we will remove this 5 in the denominator by multiplying it with the numerator 5, with the same numerator 5. Okay, and here also in the right hand side also we will multiply with the same number 5. So here this 5 in the numerator and the denominator cancels. So we get x in the left hand side, and on the right hand side we get 6 into 5, 30. So this is how we simply use this method to solve the equation. Now let's see, in exercise 12a we have got question number 1, solve. So here x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the question given. So simply like the example shown out here, x plus 5 can be solved like x plus 5 and we write minus 5, so that this 5 can be cancelled, so that we do exactly the same thing with right hand side. So 10 minus 5. Here 5 and minus 5 gets cancelled, so you'll get x in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we get 10 minus 5. Or we can simply say that we can change or we can move this plus 5 from left to right and its sign will change. So instead of showing all this, okay, we can directly move from this step to this step. So over here x is equal to 10 minus 5 and 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 is the required answer. Similarly for number 2, sorry, this is supposed to be number 2. 2 plus y is equal to 7. So 2 plus y is equal to 7 means y plus 2 equals to 7. We can write y plus 2 equals to 7. So here plus 2 has to be removed. Then we write y plus 2 minus 2 equals 7 minus 2. Or else we can simply bring this plus 2 from left hand side towards right hand side, and we can write y is equal to 7 minus 2. So when you subtract 7 minus 2, you will get y equals to 5. So this way also you can solve the simple linear equation this way. Alright.